Connor. When we first met, I was in a state of wandering. I thought I had everything put together.
Well, we met at work. I was working at Team Liquid and she joined. And then we always worked on projects together. She was cute. I definitely thought she was cute. But we played a game together at work. And so we're talking for a while and we just got closer and closer.
Over the past 3 years, you've really softened my hard heart with a kindness that I've never known before. In a time when I needed it most, God blessed me with a partner whose flow of patience, gentleness, and empathy was unceasing, whose dedication to Christ and to me was steadfast.
So, my name is Jeff Wicks. I am the father of the bride, and today is Saturday, October 1st, 2022. I am the officiant for today's wedding ceremony, lest there be any doubt.
Oh my gosh, you look so beautiful.
Your feelings for each other will probably never be stronger than they are right now. And hopefully your feelings will remain strong all the days of your life. But agape love is the key. Choose to love your spouse because you are 100% in control of your will. The decision is yours.
Oh, you look so pretty.
Connor and Heather want to welcome you all to the Tapp family farm, and we want to thank everyone for coming all this way to witness their marriage.
Heather, I vow to choose to love you every single day. I vow to lead you and our family through life, through the hard times and the good. I will be by your side and always put our marriage first. I promise to practice patience and humility and always work towards being a better me and pushing you to do the same. I will always be proud of you, cherish every moment that we spend together, and take care of you for as long as we both shall live.
So I vow to you, my love, on our wedding day, to support you with that same dedication, to encourage, inspire, and motivate you, to listen, make time, and be available for you, to preserve our marriage like salt so that we can be a light unto others, to grow in the likeness of Christ together for as long as we both shall live.
Connor, do you pledge your faithfulness to Heather?
I do.
Heather, do you pledge your faithfulness to Connor?
I do.
By the power vested in me by the state of Minnesota, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Connor, you may now kiss your bride.
Heather, so proud to welcome you to our family. Thank you for making Connor so happy. Congratulations to Connor and Heather. May the joys of today be those of tomorrow.
It is my great pleasure to introduce them for the first in a lifetime of dance together, Mr. and Mrs. Tapp.
So Heather, instead of a speech, I have something else for you. Yeah. And I would like to ask your sister to come up. And I say, bring back yesterday. And I say, bring back yesterday. one I'd like to redo. And I didn't know if you knew that I didn't do, and I'll always love you.
To Heather and Connor. And if we can toast to them, not only to their love for each other, but also to their love for God, because He will be the one who will faithfully carry you through this journey to the end.
I would love everyone to join me in raising a glass to the couple of the night, to a lifetime of love and happiness. Cheers.
Let's raise our glasses. May your love scale with each other more every day, and let's the party commence.